Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a good tweet on Twitter, aka X. And for this, make sure that you're logged into your profile and that X got opened to create the tweet. So if you tap now on the plus blue icon right in the bottom, we can create our tweet from here. Alright, I want to create a tweet with a lot of impressions. So there are a few important things. Don't make your tweet too long and use hashtags. So I want to know, what are you doing today? And then behind there, make sure that you create some hashtags like daily stuff, or something like spare time, and then just doing. Make sure that you create a lot of hashtags where people can find your tweet from, and then after, when you post it, you will receive a lot of impressions by using those hashtags. Alright, this is very important. Please try this out, and if this was helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.